The natural world is incredible. And by nature, it's cyclical. Day turns to night, seasons come and go, child becomes parent. Everything is connected and delicately balanced. As organic farmers, we see the amazing things nature can provide. We also see how people and intensive modern farming can damage it. But nature is resilient. It's evolved to look after and restore itself. It will find a way as long as we let it. We need to work with nature, not against it. For us, that means farming organically. And we've been doing it for 25 years. Saying no to artificial fertilisers, being cleaner and greener, looking out for our neighbours, and creating better packaging, all so we can make wholesome food as nature intended. We're doing our bit, and now you can do yours. By choosing organic, little and often, we can all live a more sustainable life. So that one day, we will see nature back to its best. Because the natural world is incredible. Put nature first. For you, wildlife, the world.